Friends, today I am going to share my experience related to the cough and common cold treatment. This is not a expert advice, but what I am going to share is purely based on my experience. There is a medicine from Patanjali called Swasri Pravahi. This is a syrup for cough and common cold, and I have used it for like 3 and 4 days, and I just want to share my experience that it is very effective, and now my cough is completely cured with it. I have just used, like, I have taken it 2 times in a day, and 10 to 15 ml based on how severe is your cough, and I must tell you it's very effective, and my cough is much better than what it was like 5 days ago. I recommend it to use it. And just as I said, it's not like a doctor advice, it's purely based on my experience. But I would suggest to use it and give it a chance. And it will not result in like 1 or 2 day use. You must use it like for 5 days at least, and you will get the results. Plus, there is also a Sitopladi Churan by Patanjali. Yeah, you can take it with honey, and this is again very good kind of treatment. You can take it at home for curing your cough or the dry cough, or whether it's with the mucus, but it's very helpful. I know there are Sitopladi Churans available from Baidyanath and Dabur, but as per the, if you discuss with doctors and all, it's not that effective. Usually you should prefer to get it Sitopladi from some Ayurvedic Vaidya or the shop, but I have used this one from Patanjali and along with this medicine, and it's very effective. Also, if you want to cure your cough soon, or if you have a severe one, I would recommend it to use along with taking a gargle or a hot water with some turmeric, all other home remedies which you usually do when you get the cough, with these 2 things, and I'm sure your cough will get cured within 5 days. All the best, wishing you all a good health. Take care.